Hi there guys, Neil at Italia Autos here, welcome back to another video on my channel. And I thought the Porsche videos were over, but I do have one more for you. I've managed to get my hands on a Miltek Performance unsilenced exhaust. So in this video I'm going to attempt to get the old rusty one off and fit that Miltek unit. So join me in this video and we'll try and make this Porsche sound one hell of a lot better. So here's the exhaust. It's an unsilenced Miltek system. It is used, but the car it was fitted to before, it was only fitted to it for 6 months, so my joy of fitting this, thank you to the guy who I bought it off for delivering it to me. It's saved me a lot of hassle of a 6-hour round trip to go and collect it. So it shouldn't really take more than, what, half an hour to get this exhaust off, so let's get cracking with it and see whether we can get it off super fast. Let's start by getting the wheels off to access the exhaust at the side. Now the exhausts are really the last part of the puzzle, because if you look at the tailpipe, they're extremely bent, they're out of shape, they're crushed. So I'm very happy to be replacing these at long last. And first obstacle straight away is look how rusty those nuts are. They are not going to come off easily at all. Well, that just span straight away. And that just span straight away. Let's try an 11mm. Oh, well, there we go. We've got a bit of purchase now. But it ain't going anywhere. That's just going to snap, I bet you. No, we're just going round and round now. Oh, there we go. Oh no, it snapped. I mean, this is a 5-year-old car, and if you can see down there, that nut has literally rusted away. So there's nothing left on that one for me to take off. Well, it would appear famous last words, it'll only take me half an hour. Those 4 bolts were a pain in the backside. I've managed to Dremel 3, one had come off because it snapped. 2 I managed to Dremel off, and the 3rd one I'm attempting to Dremel off still. We're almost there with it, but I'm going to try and move the exhaust down a bit to see if it'll give me a bit more room. So I've got one more bolt to do up here, and then fingers crossed it will come undone. So now, hopefully, it'll give me a bit more flex to get that other one to snap off, hopefully. Oh, yeah, it's giving my finger anyway. Yep. So it's finally given way. Now I just need to jack it up a bit so I can lift it out. Right, so I've now got the exhaust all together off the car. It seems like that's the logical way to put it back together, is all in one piece. So I'm just going to get it up now, and then I can start lining it up. Right guys, now the next morning, I ran out of time yesterday to finish buttoning things up, so I've just done the 2 screws at the back, either side, and now I'm just going to do these mounts here, and then we can finally do the last bit of alignment here. All done, so let's get it down, start it up, and then let it warm up, and then give it a rev and see if it sounds any better. That actually sounds pretty good. I wasn't expecting any more crackles and bangs, but I do seem to be getting more. It's about 20-30% louder, so not a tremendous amount louder, which is surprising as well, but we'll get it out on the road now and see how it sounds from inside. So as you can hear, the sound in sport mode is like 70 miles an hour isn't actually too loud. It is a lot louder than standard, but it's not at a decibel where it would hurt your ears or anything like that. It's perfectly acceptable to drive at motorway speeds with the Miltek exhaust on. So let's switch it back to normal now. Doing 55 miles an hour, and as you can hear, the exhaust goes a lot quieter. That's accelerating in standard mode. It is a lot louder than the standard exhaust. It does take away a lot of the engine sound, and it takes away the induction sound, and it also takes away a lot of the road noise you get depending on what tyres you're using. So if you don't mind exhaust noise, it's a perfectly fine exhaust to have. If you don't want a loud exhaust, don't get this one because it is a lot louder than standard. But for the price, it is, I think, around £1,300 standard, brand new. They're a good value exhaust. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed this episode, and I shall see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.